Elephants for Africa. Rolling in the mud. Hey, elephants doing every conceivable thing right now except giving birth and mating. Look how clean those tusks are. All these families all moving around, oblivious to this. Well, not really oblivious to it. They, ladies and the babies, not really worried much about these little bulls in the water. They're all carrying on feeding. Well, welcome to Wildearth Safari, and it's probably at some of the best moments we have here is when we have elephants doing things like this. My name is Mark with Cat on Camera, and it's going to be hard to go anywhere after, well, whilst in the middle of this activity. Very tender moments. I mean, while they're playing, there's clearly a close bond with these boys. They are having an absolute ball. Wonderful elephant activity. Two more youngsters coming into the water, little boys. I think they're a little bit too intimidated by the antics of these older bulls. They do want to come in. Two young, there's a herd that's just come from the other side of the dam, down below the dam wall, and they've moved off into the bush. And there are two very small ones there. And well, wild twins are very rare and not recorded very often. I think there are only a couple of incidents. They do look like the same age. The little one is trying very hard to intimidate the Hamakop, and finally managed to do so. Five elephant playing hippo. Actually, elephant could teach hippo a thing or two about having fun. And so from myself, Mark, Cat on camera, Lucy's been in final control. Thank you very much for joining us today. I can't keep my eyes off of them. And we'll see you a little bit later from all of us here at Wildearth Safari. Bye everyone.